Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's go by card 1 and card 2. Pick a card basically. So I have kept one card here in the left, which will be your card 1, and this will be your card 2. And just close your eyes for a few couple of seconds and then connect with your divine, the angels, archangels, or whichever god, goddesses you feel connected to, and ask them to guide you which is the card for you. I shall give you a couple of seconds. Okay, so now let's open card 1. The moon card. Basically, when you see moon card, they say that there's a phase of the moon which will be disturbing, or are there possibilities that the day will not go well, or there'll be a lot of stress. But somewhere I feel, have a lookout of someone who might be backstabbing you, because I see this. For me, when I saw the card, for me the main thing that came first was the Scorpio, someone who's going to sting you at the back, and this person can be either from office or from home, or also a known friend. It is quite possible, but overall I feel, when I see this card, I feel two people looking at the moon, trying to understand what is happening, or looking at the sun and the moon combination, trying to understand what happening. So the whole day there will be some sort of chaos or some sort of confusions, where you will not understand what is happening and where it will lead to. So let's see what is happening and where it will lead to. So this is one card, which is a 3 of air. I feel work wise something good will come and you will fly high, though you will fly with a doubt whether I should do it or not. But at the end of the day, you will know that you took the right decision. And this, when I see this mountain, I feel it is a card of growth and it is a card of beautiful energy. So maybe the day starts with a lot of questions whether you're doing the right thing or not, but the day will go good. I'll just pull one more card to see whether what I'm thinking is right. So here, craftsman of the earth. So again, the card is more like a reconfirmation that yes, things will go well and things will go the way you have planned. So there's nothing to worry. Just go with the flow and all will fall in place. Today you can wear something in light green or a dark green. If you have bottle green, that would be really great. And today in the morning, burn a candle, or burn a diya, burn a lamp in front of Lord Ganesha, and just chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times. And if you have a clear quartz, carry the clear quartz with you, or if you don't have clear quartz, just take 9 pieces of cloth, tie it in a small piece of cloth and carry it with you when you come back. Or if you're a person, you're at home, at the end of the evening, discard this outside your house, and you don't have to burn it or anything. Just throw it outside your house, and if you're going out, when you're coming back, just throw it somewhere. You can open the knot and throw the clouds alone and bring back the cloth also if you want, and the day will go good and the day will not bring in any sort of chaos and confusion. So that's for card 1. Now those who selected card 2, let's see. A day of transformation. I don't see death card as a negative card. I see a day of change for good. Maybe if someone is in a relationship and there are some rifts happening, there are chances of breakup happening. There are chances of an opportunity which you were expecting that you don't get. But I feel that whatever it is that the card is trying to show, it will be for good and something better is in store for you, and that is the reason that is happening here. I would suggest surrender yourself to the divine and let the divine decide what is right for you. Let's pick even cards for you to see what is coming. See, that is watch the earth. So here, when you see watch the earth, I feel, go by your third eye and don't go by your eyes. Which of earth it is? Sorry, not watch the earth, which of earth. I feel that, just go by your third eye, go by your intuition. Something is safeguarding you and something is protecting you. So if today there is a breakup happening, or there is a project which you wanted to take and that project is not going through, or the project has got rejected, then maybe it is for good, and this good will not harm you in any way at all. Let's just pull one more card and see. Okay, balance. Balancing is needed today. I would say this balancing is of your physical and emotional body. Maybe you will get too drained, not understanding what is happening. So I would suggest wear a red color today. If you have anything red, wear a red, or else carry a kerchief or a piece of cloth which is red in color. In the morning, when you burn a lamp, today you should also burn a lamp in front of Lord Ganesha. Add a pinch of kumkum inside that lamp. So take a lamp, add some ghee, add a pinch of kumkum inside it, and burn it. And just even you can chant 108 times Om Gam Ganapati Namaha, and I'm sure all obstacles will go and things will fall in place. So hope you all are resonating the way the readings are going. I see a lot of good feedbacks coming in that people are loving the readings and it's happening the way I am giving. So I'm happy that somewhere the readings are resonating for you. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.